cheap.
Should be affordable. Should be affordable.
I'll take them out. Yeah, so one of these never had.
Yes, right, crazy. As you can see, I'm at Brooklyn Blaze. And that's in Mandeville, Jamaica. You have children clothes, you have adult clothes, you have fashion show going in here, so you have 20% discount. You have me, Queenie, you have Jaden the host, you have the whole heap of clothes for man, woman, and child. So I'm going to give you a nice tour. Okay? At girl Jaden, Jaden, your name is Jordan. Can you know me always remix it with?
Jordan.
They're telling about the queen. Yes. A lot of lovely stuff in here. Let me start with the ladies, because them say ladies first. So ladies, you don't know, without a handbag, is not a lady, is a woman or whatever. But when you have a handbag, you're a lady. So look at the ladies' handbag. So every lady should own a handbag. All when you know and carry it. So we start with the accessories for the ladies, and then we'll go over here some. Sweet Up, Body Splash, all who want the nice cologne them, you can get man, woman, and child in here. So watch. So a bit of everything. And it's Brooklyn Blaze. And I'm going over to the cosmetic. These are costume jewelry. For the ladies, they have one little simple blouse, they put on a nice chunky necklace. All the bad things are going. See, at Galia. Girl power was. See, at Margaret Gallias, now she's modeling one of the outfits in the store. And she's wearing that lovely purple boob tube top with the silver pants. And look at them slippers.
Yeah.
My God, look at you, girl. I see you, baby. Brooklyn, blaze it out. I get more. I'm going to whoa. So right over here, so now, ladies, you have, what a neat little shop.
Very
You saw them fold them up neat and nice. So you have breath for the ladies. Then you have boxers to the man. Then you have the ladies' drawers them. You have the pretty drawers them. You don't know. A whole heap of things are going on Brooklyn Blaze. Then you have the man at them over here, so. Clear, no. I mean, if you come down here, come shop. Alright, we're getting a store tour. So this is what going outside the current. So you have this in the pink. She's wearing. Darling dear, where your name, baby girl? Hot girl. Jenny. So Jenny is wearing the purple, and then you can't get the rest of it crashes. See that? Alright, Jaden, come, watch out. So them look nice blouse, they're batty rider shorts. And what do you know?
bad.
I want to know.
Bad.
When I carry them hot girls something in a Brooklyn, right in a Mandeville, and tell me about Queenie bring this. We're not bringing nothing come out Jamaica for nobody. We're coming here to come to spend the money. Good clothes, nice clothes that here, so. Me not. Oh, so them have the white in the blouse as well. The nice little flats them. Look. The nice little flats.
Wally Zara.
Fucking hell. I don't know if Zara are good quality. I'm telling about Zara. I like this. Them should have one bottom with it, but I put it on now. And it's similar to what I'm wearing. But this is just a top. What? Oh my God, look at me. I want to put something in here.
Like when you go rough and you have a swimsuit and that
No, I need one of this. Azara, them look young. Zara slippers. No man, Brooklyn are blazing. All I have clean fat pussy girl, if you want to know pussy printing, look. Come and get this for the beach. All I find at them when I bring down a bath suit, when they can't come at Brooklyn Blaze, you have variety of bath suits here. Fix this to me, baby. Oh, but yeah, I do 100 something too. Make them come fix it, yeah. They will come fix it. So for the big age segment now, well, first, before we go to big age, we'll talk about office. So for the office segment,
Nice colors.
I'm gonna get these lovely, nice little pralava. I don't know, I don't have no time for fixing something. I cannot do the fixing something. All different colors, nice, cool. Like how Jamaica hat and have the whole heap of jeans pants them. When you come get a look at nice soft pants them. When you come fix up them for me somebody. I don't know, I don't have no time for that. Yeah. So as I was saying, ladies, all is not lost. All the lovely light thin clothes them, they're right here so at Brooklyn Blaze. Ladies, when you're working in the office and you don't want to wear the jeans pants with the look of black skirt and stocking, you come right to Mandeville. No, man, I need all that little clothes up for myself. Why? This is something I will put things that go on. Oh, my God. You look like the man who I'm live down here, sir. No. Watch your handbag and the shoes are girls.
Yes, girl.
What do I need for coming here? I won't put something go on in here. Seeing is believing. Watch her again. No, the girl's store bad. I want lady. Miss Lady, how's your name? Jesus Christ, clear. Oh, God, no. I'm not forgot Frank shop. I'm not for bring no whole heap of clothes from England. What do you want the good stuff that when I come at Brooklyn Brave that's in Mandeville? And there are variety, lots of stuff. Jesus Christ. No, that shop is too good. But that, right now, but I just have my girl. Wow, fit on. Oh my God, cut titty clothes. Eh! Cut titty clothes. Big chest, me I deal with double D. Make sure you think before you come. Trouble me. Double tap. All of the clean fat pussy girl, I'm gonna roll up right now. Right in a booking. Come meet and drink the cream. No man, no shop here go on.
Okay.
So I like her. What? If you don't want to catch man, you don't come in here, come get catch man clothes. Me married, me can't catch no man, and that wasn't my style. But if I like catch man, girl, come. So I look at Saint, them were claim for them as Saint, think them can't trick me. This not even Saintish. Like how you're Saint, you can buy this and put a white marina underneath it because it's thin. But me, Queenie, now would have my two titty them and drink out some ice. In this. Nice. No man, too much things in them, I'm confused. What's that? I barely good something. No. I make that shop here go answer. What's that? Jesus Christ. My mom is a clothes freak, you know. Jesus. Watch all them little stretchy shorts there. Bumble cloth. Watch them cock up is a 10 blouse there. What's the cloth? Look for the look of some cocky dress there. That dress is so cocky and mad to blood cloth. I'm not lying. Woo! Leather. You know, oh, that's so lovely when you're going to get that one. That is nice. And that one we have a nice. How will you get that one? Right here. This one, I love it. Anyway, back to the reason now, Royal Crazies. This little leather dress is so cocky and mad, it can't trick me. Don't. What a rude little fuck out dress. I like a fuck out girl, I'm gonna come get one of that. Hello, darling. I want her to buy. Okay. 20% to the come. Alright, so the shorts now.
30%.
Yeah, then you can't put 120. The Queen is here.
How you doing?
Hot girl Queen is
yourself,
there.
mommy.
Blessed love, my
What
darling.
you mean? Everything alright?
Yeah, everything nice.
Of course.
Jesus Christ, I nobody want to live in England. You see America clothes them? The clothes of my England them lost. Listen, I that dress up. Watch all the pantsuit and no. It updated already? Watch her, man. Watch her. This so cocky and not attack. That pantsuit,
Jody?
fuck. Shh. Well, Mr. Christian, don't make nobody here.
No.
Remember see that dress? It's nice, see?
I eat to take down a while again.
No, this one I'm take down are two different
No,
materials.
one the job.
Oh, so that one in a package too?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
What do you think about them shoes they're cleaning? Like the studded one, them under the zone. You think they're nice?
They are. So all of them stud shoes are, ooh, all who have punk intention in their mind and Michael Jackson. Beat it! Beat it! Moonwalk! Doom, doom, doom. The moonwalk, them I go pan with them, man.
Hello.
These are lovely, you know. I would wear one. But guess what? Would I wear it one time and then give BJ it? Because she flats, and she like flat shoes. These are so nice and you can't get one for no mother. If you not go dance on a hyperactive like Queenie and you want to kick up, you not forget them flat here. You can't do them the motion there with aisle shoes. So, jeez, watch out one of that when you have mirror in it, you know. Come to Brooklyn Blaze, everything in here. You can't get the mama, the uncle, the cousin, the niece, the neighbor, the work colleagues, the whole generation. They are Brooklyn. A bit of everything. I love these. I was size them here.
Yeah, sure. Look like nice.
Oh God, I'm confused at the liquor store.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Jesus Christ, God, no
It's a
man.
really nice store.
So much something?
It's a nice store.
Jesus Christ, me get shoes. What?
That look nice, man.
Moonwalk.
That looks nice on you.
Queenie, your size that.
Yes, man. I mean, I know my size. I'm a seat. From my size, you know. See there? Kick me killer. It's cute though.
It's
Nice.
really nice on your feet. Looks good.
Would I go up on 10 Sunfest in this? 10 Dream Weekend. 10 Sands, 10 100 Chugget. Yeah, it is nice. And it's comfortable, ladies. Jesus Christ, you know so long me stuck right here, so? Wally pass something I go on right here, so. Wait there, let me see if somebody have on my clothes in here. Tell me, say my clothes this. Somebody with my have on. No. When me never buy a Brooklyn Blaze. Are you this? What?
Which means your quality team.
I'm telling you, say no.
Quality team.
Brooklyn Blaze have the mama and the whole entire generation and the neighbor. No.
Quality team.
After me think I'm alone upon God earth.
Don't it?
Let me see if I see him where it come from. Fucking hell. I'm done. I am done. Oh my God, this is amazing. So ladies, you know, get a little light shorts them. Look there. Short set. No, sir. Let me come fix them. Could jeans clothes? This I feel like I see at them, you know. All them look at something here. Wow. No, some of them Jamaica born up, sir.
What you doing, Father?
Jesus Christ. Hello, darling.
Darling.
Hello. Take up that for me, somebody, cause I don't know me I
We
promote.
have a place locked. Go and deal with it one way.
Yes.
You know me, I wait for you from morning, girl.
Are you me for come meet? Friend it Allah.
God, you're home.
You look good
You
here.
know, oh my God, I'm gonna catch you.
I got you all of them.
From morning,
I got you all of them shit there, you buy.
girl.
Jesus Christ,
Hurry
girl
up,
power.
Hurry up,
She look good here.
yes, man. She up and running.
No, the store nice, beautiful, everything in here up to scratch. I love how them neat. I wanna put them out neat and nice. Good shoes. I said, go man, I'm still there. Kick me killer. All of the hot girl them can walk in at 8 inch, everything in here. 8 inch, no inch. All the yeah, I'm on the live.
Give me a little snack.
Yes, girl, power.
One man see me good. That's a Dewey. Yes, me see him. Me call him, bravo, Tino. Yeah, we're on the line.
Boring. I saw them ready, I'm going to have a little element. Don't mind it. Yeah, him have him antisocial.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Oh my God, yes.
Nice,
Yeah, this
I have to
something
come over
nice.
a salon over this and work with the ear.
Is it?
By toy.
I will leave something I go on, girl. I will go tune in, man. Yeah.
Think it easy.
So this are the fitness section now.
Alright, you ready for my again? Yeah. Alright, let's go.
You working here, baby?
Mama.
Oh, just a pass through. Allah, you can't look for your queen? Girl, put bumbo clan. No, man. Me say mother come in here and dress up every day. Too much nice clothes and then mother just muggle. What? Yeah, baby. May I forgot to end the live in a bit. Anybody a bad mom come suck out my bottle on a Friday and come kiss out my bleeding blood clot. All of my corruption, I mean, anybody with a bad mom when you come suck out my corruption. I tell all the dirty stinking blood clot, come suck out my corruption.
Start up with the sale over 20% off. Selected items of checking and take advantage of sale and they want to place their fuel about right now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The mothers are here. There, for a while, one thing. Queenie there. And I'm the journey and countries in the building.
Yeah, hello? How old is?
Somebody wants to.
Hello? Hello, darling dear. I'm not hearing a baby. You have to talk up loud. Junction St. Elizabeth, you what? Yeah? Yeah. Oh God, baby, I'm not hear you. So you can't go and box yourself and get loud. I'm not hear nothing what you say, baby. Wait, let me see if it can turn off. Take it off. Oh, it has to go on speaker. Alright, madam. You go on now. Sorry. Yeah, go on now, madam.
Alright. So we are in Junction St. Elizabeth. We are called Cocoa Palm South.
Yeah.
And we want to do a customer appreciation day, and we wanted to know your package to come and help us on that day.
Alright. Alright. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to let you get my contact details when I finish, yeah? Yeah, because I'm on the live now, so I can't discuss business now. So I'll get back to you. Your friend will see to that, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, blessed love. Thank you. Queenie.
You're welcome.
Alright, so may I make you get my details, yeah? Thank you. Yeah. Should have up. I'm going to end the live. Alright, crazy. I'm going to start up myself and come back. Is that her? See, there's a next booking that I get. God is good. When I do the blood clot, you know. When I come love and juice, when I stink like kind of blood clot. When I poor man.